Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinonso, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can move your design from one of your Canva accounts to another Canva account. So there are two ways to go about this. So the first way to do it is, let's go to one of our design right here. So let's assume I want to move this particular design to another Canva account of mine. So for you to move it, you need to come to this icon up here. Once you click on this icon, then you can see that we have invite and we have share link. So once you click on invite simply means you have to add that person's email, the email such person used to create his account. You have to add the email right here and send the person an invite. So let's assume I want to add this email, see Charles US. So this will load up for you. So you just click on share right here. So once you click on share, the person will just go over to his own end and he's going to see that a design has been shared with him or her. So that's one way to move designs from one account to another, by sharing it to that person's email. So the second way you can move designs from one account to another, and this second way also works for moving stores within your own account. So let's assume we want to move this particular content. Can you see this or that? So like I said, this method I'll be showing you, you can use it to move stuffs within your own account. Do you understand? Within your own account. So simply come to the same place we clicked earlier. So once you come there, you can see. So click on share link. This time around, you click on share link instead of invite. So once you click on share link, so you come to where you have this drop down arrow and click on it. Then over here, you click on anyone with the link. Can you see anyone with the link? So I just did that. It has been changed to anyone with the link. So right now, what you do is you copy the link. So let's copy the link. I just copied it. So now I want to go to my other account on Canva. I mean my pro account. This particular account is my personal account. So once I go back and I go back again, so I come over here, you can see that this is my personal Canva account. Can you see this? It is currently on my personal Canva account. So now I want to go to my pro account. So if you check my pro account, you notice that I don't have that design on this account before. So you can see all the designs I have here. I don't have that design on this account. So now I want to ensure that I have the design on the account now. Like basically I want to move the design to this account. So what you do at this moment is you come to your Chrome browser. Once you are here, then you paste the link you just copied. Let's paste that link we just copied. So just open it, open the link, then it will take you straight to Canva. It has taken us to Canva and it has opened that design for us. So if you go back to your account and check, you'll notice that this design is already in your pro account. So let's go back to our Canva account and check. So this is my Canva. I just opened it afresh and you can see it has been opened here also. So you know it was not here before. Can you see? Hope you remember all the designs that we had here before. So you can see that we now have the design on this particular pro account. Just to confirm it for you guys, let's go and check. So you can see this. Can you see that it is the pro account that we currently have that design on? So this is basically how you move designs from one account to another, and also this is how you move design within your own account. So if you got value from this video, guys, please just subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and also like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.